Gondia folks, I'm Khushboo. In this video, we'll have a very mild and coffee kind of discussion regarding the most severe and the serious teenage issue, which is the breakup. Now, breakup itself says that take a break and then rise up. Get over him, her or your ex. To heal a wound, you need to stop touching it. So get off through that sad playlist that you're playing right now. जितने दुखी गाने सुनोगे उतने दुखी होगे. Okay, so turn off that playlist and switch it off and swap it away with the interesting and happier version of songs that will make you happier. Put a full stop on the thought process that is the reminder, that is the constant reminder of your him, her or ex. Think about something you're good at, maybe a hobby. You never know how your hobby will become the turning point of your life. We all respect Wright brothers for their hobby. बचपन में they were so obsessed with this helicopter toy कि बड़े होके they invented it. It was nothing but the obsession with the bugs which gave us the most interesting cartoon character, none other than the Pokemon. So you never know how things will turn out. So write all your good traits, make the character list and start working on it. Rebuild your self-esteem. Focus on what you really value in yourself. Write a list. Think of traits that speak to your character, emotional strength, skill sets, ability, etc. Look at all those beautiful things you have and avoid, and trust me, avoid having a rebound. Rebound is nothing but the waste of time or the regret of life. ये नहीं तो इससे काम चला लेते हैं क्योंकि उस thought process के time पे we have this habit of having someone with us. Maybe phone call पे or maybe in real you're having or chatting with someone. थोड़े टाइम के लिए यू विल फील गुड कि हाँ चलो ये तो मेरा साथ दे रहा है, बट एट द एंड यू विल फील कि ये गलत चॉइस था, ये मेरा रीबाउंड था, इससे मुझे सेटिस्फैक्शन तो मिला नहीं. इंस्टेड आई फील रिग्रेटेड, मुझे पछतावा हो रहा है कि मैंने ये एक्शन लिया जस्ट टू गेट ओवर माई एक्स. So avoid having a rebound. Remove all the painful memories, the cards, the gifts or the whatever that your ex or your him or her has gifted. Breathe in the fresh air. Take deep breath. That is certainly not yoga kind of a thing, but it really relaxes all your muscles and the veins. Continue to take care of your hair, skin, body and everything. Fall in love with yourself now. It's time to get love from yourself and to yourself. And try to understand this thing that having this breakup is kind of a normal thing and not it is the only thing that has happened to you and the only you. It's quite casual these days. So know your pain is normal. Moreover, nobody is the barometer of your mood. Nobody has right to control your mind. So stop giving this permission of handling your emotions and moods to someone else rather than you. Past is gone, future is yet to come. So make peace with your present. Rejection is just a redirection. I guess the example of Deepika is realistic enough to understand that it's not about just depression. She had a long string of relationships, most of which were either short-term or majorly publicized. Ranbir Kapoor being the prominent one, she even got inked with his initials. After their breakup, she suffered from depression, describing her experience by saying that every second was a struggle. She coped up by choosing to move on. And see, she is happily married today with the most loving hubby. God definitely always have the best for us. The best gift is getting wrapped up for you. So trust the process. You can't convince people to love you. It's all about making a choice, choosing happiness over suffering. So if your plan doesn't work, so stop cursing every single thing on this planet. Trust the process, trust the universe because God has the best and the best someone for you. and he is getting wrapped up for now. Everything happens for a reason, and the reason turns out to be good at the end. So be patient, guys. God's plan is greater than any other thing in this world. So trust His timing, trust the process, and be patient and kind with yourself. Don't suffer, and understand this pain is quite natural and normal. All the best, guys, and try to get over it. There are more beautiful things to look at instead of looking and jumping into your past. All the best for your future.